So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out why your internet is lagging in your Windows PC. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open CMD, the command promote in your system, and make sure to run it as administrator so that you won't face any problem for those. Now here, all you need to do is just simply type trace RT space 8.8.8.8. Be very careful with the prompt. Once you do that, just simply hit enter, and it will take some time, and it will tell you what the real issue with your network is. Now here you're gonna see it has started calculating all the latencies, and at the end of this report, it will generate a complete analytical report and tell you the actual problem why your system internet is lagging. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.